When you think of bold, classic beauty, one name that consistently comes to mind is M.A.C. With a legacy of creating iconic shades, M.A.C has been a staple in beauty bags for decades. But does their retro matte lipstick in Runway Hit live up to the brand's reputation? Let's find out. This sleek, compact lipstick is a 0.10-ounce tube packed with a powerful, long-lasting formula. Designed to deliver rich, vibrant color with a matte finish, it promises up to 8 hours of wear without fading or feathering. A lot of matte lipsticks can be drying, but the claim here is that it offers excellent coverage while maintaining a comfortable feel. Sounds like a winner, right? Now let's get into how it performs. I've tested this product over the course of a few days in different conditions, everything from daily office wear to dinner out. The color? Absolutely stunning. Runway Hit is a soft, peachy nude that works beautifully with a wide range of skin tones. It's the kind of shade that's universally flattering, but still packs a punch. No surprises there. It's a true M.A.C statement. When it comes to the feel, this is where I had to do a little extra research. Matte formulas can be notoriously drying, but I was pleasantly surprised by how comfortable this one felt. Even after hours of wear, it didn't leave my lips feeling parched, which is a huge win in my book. The finish? Gorgeous. It's matte without being chalky. It gives off that modern, sophisticated vibe without making you feel like you're wearing a layer of paint. However, it's not without its challenges. One of the things I've noticed is that while the formula is fade-proof for the most part, it does tend to transfer a little if you're sipping on a drink or eating greasy food. It's not a major issue, but it's worth keeping in mind. The good news is, it's easy to touch up, and even after doing so, it doesn't build up or get patchy, which can be a problem with some matte lipsticks. Let's talk longevity. 8 hours of wear is a bold claim, and while I did find that the color stayed pretty solid, I didn't get the full 8 hours without needing a reapplication. But here's the thing, that's pretty typical with most lipsticks, especially those that offer this level of matte pigmentation. It didn't fade in splotches or leave an awkward ring around my lips. Another win. Now, value for money. Is this lipstick worth its price tag? Absolutely. It's high quality, offers a smooth application, and the color payoff is fantastic. Plus, given M.A.C's reputation for long-lasting products, I feel confident that this lipstick won't disappoint. If you're someone who likes a lipstick that stays put and isn't constantly needing a touch-up, this one's a great choice. However, if you're someone who needs something ultra-moisturizing and long-wearing without any touch-ups throughout the day, you might want to explore other options. It's not a full-coverage, hydrating formula, and I could see some people who prefer a bit more moisture wanting something else. For those who are budget-conscious, you might want to compare it to other high-quality matte lipsticks in a similar price range. There are some great alternatives out there that also offer long-wear formulas without sacrificing comfort. However, what sets this one apart is the quality of the color and how seamlessly it applies. M.A.C really does know how to deliver a sophisticated, flawless finish. If you're looking for a lipstick that makes a statement without being over the top, this is definitely a product to consider. It's perfect for anyone who appreciates a reliable, classic matte finish. Whether you're a makeup pro or a beginner, Runway Hit will complement your makeup routine with ease and precision. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts on M.A.C's Retro Matte Lipstick. And don't forget, the link to purchase it can be found in the description box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.